What kind of SUV needs 617 horsepower, launches like a supercar, growls like a muscle car, and still expects you to pick up groceries on the way home? The answer is the 2026 BMW X5M competition, a machine that exists to blur every line we thought separated luxury, performance, and practicality. In this video, we break down how BMW's most extreme X5 combines brutal performance, luxury comfort, and everyday usability into one machine. From its aggressive design and thunderous twin-turbo V8 to its high-tech performance-focused interior, this SUV challenges everything we think an SUV should be, a luxury SUV that refuses to behave. The 2026 BMW X5M competition does not try to reinvent itself, and that is precisely why it works so well. BMW entered 2026 fully aware that this SUV already sat near the top of the performance luxury mountain, facing very little true competition. Instead of chasing gimmicks or unnecessary redesigns, BMW chose refinement, polishing what was already extreme. The result is a vehicle that feels confident, deliberate, and almost intimidating in how effortlessly it delivers speed, sound, and presence without ever feeling unstable or out of control. Underneath the familiar X5 silhouette lies BMW's most aggressive interpretation of the formula to date. This is not an SUV designed to blend in or politely coexist with traffic. It is engineered to dominate highways, mountain roads, and city streets with equal authority. Everything about it, from its stance to its throttle response, communicates that this is a machine built to lead, not follow. Exterior design, aggression with purpose. From the outside, the 2026 X5M competition looks like it has been permanently braced for launch, as if it is always moments away from full throttle. The wide stance immediately communicates intent, making the SUV appear lower and more planted than its size suggests. The front fascia is low and muscular, with enlarged air intakes that are not merely decorative but functional, feeding air to a powertrain that produces supercar-level output. Even at a standstill, it looks fast. The signature kidney grille remains unmistakably BMW, but in M form it feels more assertive than elegant. Sculpted hood lines stretch rearward, visually pulling the vehicle forward and emphasizing motion even when parked. The proportions are carefully balanced to disguise the SUV's mass, making it appear leaner, wider, and far more athletic than a traditional luxury SUV. Along the sides, massive wheels fill the arches completely, reinforcing the aggressive planted stance. BMW's M-specific wheel designs, often staggered from front to rear, visually anchor the vehicle to the road. Subtle character lines run the length of the body, adding tension and visual drama without cluttering the design or distracting from its muscular form. At the rear, the X5M competition finishes with authority and confidence. Broad shoulders, quad exhaust outlets, and a sculpted bumper give it a powerful, performance-focused presence. Even before the engine is started, the rear design makes it unmistakably clear that this is an M car, and that it expects respect from anything behind it. Sound the moment it comes alive. The real personality of the 2026 BMW X5M competition reveals itself the instant the V8 fires up. This is not a quiet luxury SUV pretending to be fast or aggressive. It is a performance machine first, one that just happens to wrap its brutality in leather, technology, and comfort. The sound alone sets the tone before the vehicle even moves. The 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 produces a deep, commanding rumble at idle that feels controlled and restrained, almost calm, but that calm disappears the moment the accelerator is pressed. Under load, the exhaust note hardens into a powerful growl that builds with speed and intent, filling the space with a heavy mechanical presence. It does not sound artificial or over-processed, it sounds purposeful and alive. BMW's sport exhaust tuning ensures the sound remains engaging without becoming chaotic or overwhelming. In relaxed driving modes, the X5M competition can cruise quietly, allowing the cabin to remain refined and comfortable. Switch into the more aggressive modes, and the SUV announces its presence with authority. The sound perfectly matches the performance, reinforcing the feeling that this machine was engineered for drivers who care deeply about how a vehicle feels, not just how fast it is. For enthusiasts who want even more drama, aftermarket exhaust options are available, but the factory setup already delivers the kind of soundtrack most performance SUV owners crave. It strikes a balance between refinement and aggression that feels intentional rather than excessive. Engine and performance, numbers that defy logic. At the heart of the 2026 X5M competition sits BMW's twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8, producing a staggering 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's MX Drive all-wheel drive system, ensuring relentless traction regardless of road conditions. The mild hybrid assistance improves response and smoothness without changing the vehicle's raw character. This setup allows the X5M competition to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 3.7 seconds, a figure that still feels unreal when you remember this is a full-size luxury SUV. With the optional M-Drivers package, top speed climbs well beyond the standard electronic limit, pushing the vehicle into performance territory once reserved exclusively for high-end sports cars and supercars. What makes the performance truly impressive is how controlled and composed it feels. Adaptive suspension, active differentials, and precise steering work together to keep the vehicle stable and predictable at speed. It does not feel floaty, top-heavy, or disconnected. Instead, it feels planted and confident, shrinking around the driver as speeds rise and corners tighten. Interior, performance wrapped in luxury. Step inside the 2026 BMW X5M competition and the atmosphere changes instantly. The cabin blends high-end luxury with motorsport influence in a way that feels intentional rather than forced. Premium materials surround the driver, from fine leather upholstery to metal accents and subtle M branding that reinforces the vehicle's performance identity without overdoing it. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's curved display setup, combining a digital instrument cluster with a large central infotainment screen. The layout is modern, clean, and driver-focused, presenting information clearly without overwhelming the senses. Controls can be operated via touch, voice commands, or BMW's rotary controller, allowing drivers to interact with the system in whatever way feels most natural. The M-specific steering wheel, complete with paddle shifters and programmable drive mode buttons, immediately signals that this is not a standard X5. The seats strike a careful balance between support and comfort, holding occupants firmly during aggressive driving while remaining relaxed and accommodating on long journeys. Optional features such as massaging front seats, heated and ventilated seating, and premium leather upgrades elevate the cabin further into true luxury territory. Rear passengers are equally considered, with generous legroom and available heated seats, ensuring comfort across all seating positions, regardless of driving style. Technology and sound inside the cabin. The X5M competition pairs its mechanical soundtrack with serious audio performance inside the cabin. A premium Harman Kardon sound system comes standard, delivering clear and powerful audio throughout the interior. Configurable displays and advanced driver assistance systems add to the sense of modern luxury. Every feature feels purposeful, designed to enhance both spirited driving and everyday usability without distracting from the driving experience itself. Practicality, still an X5 at heart. Despite its extreme performance credentials, the 2026 X5M competition never forgets that it is still an X5. Cargo space remains generous, rear seating comfortably accommodates adults, and visibility remains excellent for daily driving. It can handle school runs, long road trips, and city traffic with ease. This dual personality is what makes the X5M competition so compelling. It delivers supercar-level performance when demanded, yet instantly settles into refined luxury the moment the pace slows. Few vehicles manage to balance those extremes so convincingly. The 2026 BMW X5M competition is unapologetically excessive, and that is exactly the point. It exists for drivers who want everything at once: speed, sound, luxury, presence, and practicality. It is not subtle, not efficient, and not designed to make sense on paper. It is designed to make you smile every time you press the start button. So here's the real question: if an SUV can sound this good, move this fast, and still handle everyday life with ease, do sports cars still have a monopoly on excitement? If you enjoyed this deep dive video into the 2026 BMW X5M competition, like and subscribe for more performance-focused breakdowns that separate hype from reality.